Hello and welcome to Geek Must Have. This is a post bag of a missing post. This was missing for quite some time because it was lodged between the back seat and the trunk area of my wife's car. I gave the shipping company who receives my packages a lot of grief over this. I'd like to apologize to them because we actually did get the package. We just lost it inside of our own vehicle. I'm pretty sure I know what's inside this one. I'm going to open it up and let's find out. Well, ton of goodies. Some Dupont cables. Male, female, male, male, female, female. I commented before, I wondered why they called them Dupont cables. It's kind of like Kleenex. Kleenex is tissue paper, but Kleenex is the brand name. And Dupont is a manufacturer of these cables, and I guess the name Dupont just kind of stuck on, rather than just plain generic jumper cables. So these are about 30 centimeters long. The next item is a repeat of a kit that I got from another company. This is an LM3915 LED VU meter. Got the chip right there. It's a do-it-yourself kit to monitor audio and kind of give you a VU effect. It has the rectangular LEDs on there. This is similar to a product I got from another company. I don't know why I bought two of them. We'll do something with it. And another do-it-yourself kit. See there, it seems to have a little mount for a microphone, and it does indeed have a microphone inside of it. I think this is a 5-voice control switch. According to the documentation on this, this is a one-piece clap acoustical control switch, Sweet Circuit Electronics. I have a fairly good definition of how the circuit works on this, but this is another one of those do-it-yourself kits. The next item is what appears to be a Raspberry Pi acrylic case. Yeah, it's really sealed up well. So I'll take it out and take a look at it. And of course, it's got hardware in there that I can lose. Here's a little bag of hardware. Not much to it. And then this is an unusual style of a kit. It's got the standard acrylic parts to it. And then it's got some black acrylic parts. Those aren't clear. It's got that and one clear piece. It's the first time I've ever seen a Raspberry Pi case. It's got 5 layers to it. Double color is what it says, and there is there's a couple of different adapters here. One appears to be for USB 2, and the other one appears to be for a Raspberry Pi 2, and then the other one is for a Raspberry Pi 3. We'll see if we can avoid losing the hardware.
Papa.
In the process of putting this 5-piece acrylic case into a poly bag, it has now become a 6-piece acrylic case. There'll be some super glue involved in getting it back together again. Just a small piece snapped off. Doesn't seem to be particularly great construction, but once it's together there shouldn't be a problem. I guess you just shouldn't be manhandling these that much. Last item in this post bag set of 3 of these voltage thingies. Let's pull one of them apart. Find out what's in it. CN6009. This replaces the LM2577, which has been a power chip for quite some time for a boost converter. I think this CN6009 is also known as the XL6009. It's a high frequency switching type of a chip. You get less dirty voltage coming out of it. Appears to have a pretty hefty MOSFET on there. Pretty big MOSFET on there. Big choke, something to adjust it. Shows you which way the current is going in and out. It does have in and out listed on there. I think these go like from 3 to about 35 volts. It's supposed to be fairly efficient at about 94 or 95%. So I have a handful of those. Those are always good to have in stock to be able to move 5 volts up to 9 or 9 volts up to 12 or 12 volts up to 24. You usually lose about a volt. I have 3 of those. These were some interesting items in the lost post bag. Glad I found them. They will go into the various kits that I have. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please click on the like button. If you have any comments, put the comments or feedback in the section below. I have a companion blog that is geekmusthave.com, where I put articles on technology and the likes out there. You get a chance, take a look at that. I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe to my blog. Now, take a little time off, go build yourself a voice changer, or a voice simulator, or a voice something or another.